I'm doing something that I should have done a little while ago, and that's to get the motorhome weighed. I've got a pretty good payload on this motorhome, and its maximum weight is 4,500 kilograms. I've got about 1,000 kilos payload, but I am completely, almost completely, loaded up now. We're going away tomorrow. I've got the bike on board, I've got the fridge is full of beer, I've got all the equipment, we've got various sort of bits and pieces, clothes, etc, etc. So it's almost loaded up to its maximum potential. The only thing I haven't got on board is Jenny and Poppy, so that would have to be factored in, but I'm pretty confident that we're not anywhere near our maximum weight. But I've been told there's a place where you can get weighed nearby, so it's in a place called Halsall, which is near Southport, and it was suggested by one of my viewers who asked had I got the motorhome weighed, and the answer was no, of course. And so I'm actually going there to the place they suggested, and it's called Massam Supplies. They've got a weighbridge there. It's not on the council website, so don't go looking for it on there. So let's go and have a look, see what that's like, and see how we get on. And we're told we can just turn up. It's about 1 o'clock on a Thursday. So this is the road out of Southport, and we're turning onto the A5147 in a minute. I think the sat-nav's taken me sort of the long way round, to be honest.
Turn right on to A5147. In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Rennickers Lane. In half a mile, arrive at L39 8SE on the right.
So it's in Rennickers Lane, I know that. Not quite sure where it is. I might have to get Google Maps out shortly. I've just put the postcode in, and if that was it. Yeah.
In 100 yards, arrive at L39 8SE on the right.
Okay, Google. Find Massam Supplies.
Got it. Massam Head northwest on Rennickers Lane. By the way, next in 100 yards, your destination will be on the right. Steering wheel to ask me anything.
Okay.
Your destination is on the right.
Well, God. Okay. The gate was close to the HGV yard, so I might have to go and ask. I just noticed there was well, I walked over there, noticed there was a buzzer, so I think I've got to press the buzzer. I hope we'll find out in a minute. Way up there. Struggle to reach that. Yeah, okay. want to get too involved here, but let's get out. Follow the forklift. Oh, it's there, right. Brilliant.
What do you want it to be?
It's plated at 4,500. Can't see it, is it?
3,920.
3,920. Can I do the front and the back wheels?
Yeah, if you want, back off. Do you want a ticket or?
I don't need a ticket, no, I just need to know how much. I'm sure it's way within its capacity. There we go.
No, your front axle's 1.7, so
1.7.
yeah. So you'll have to turn it round. Well, you can add
Where's the thing? Oh, there it is. 1740.
Yeah. No, you can just pull
Hello.
on and then knock it off, like, can't you?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Right.
Lovely, thanks for that.
If once that gate will open, I don't know.
All right, do I owe you anything?
I
Or?
don't know. You just go in there and see them in the shop.
All right, brilliant. Okay, thanks for that.
Are you going to go all over the place?
Well, yeah, we've got a few trips planned.
Good for you?
Yeah, Scotland.
You had them before these or something?
Yeah. I mean, I had one that was plated at 3,850, and the payload is very tight on that.
Yeah, so they should be alright.
Yeah. So what was it? The original one?
Pull back up.
Yeah.
So it's 1760 on the front axle. Go on.
Yeah. 1760.
Write it down anymore.
Yeah. I'll just turn.
You're 3.9.
I can film it. Let me do that. So that's 3,940.
4.0.
Yeah,
Well, you'll have
brilliant.
4.5. So you like
4.5. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Why should I worry? All right. Cheers. Go and pay. Yeah, so that was very good. But you go to the reception first if you come in here. Then they can arrange for you to get a ticket. She said if I'd gone in there first, they could have got a ticket sorted for me. So that's good. But, I've got over half a ton payload. So
in half a mile, turn left onto a 5147.
no need to worry.